one of them blood clot. Watch now.
Blessed day, my folks. This is a rumor report, and I'm your host, Pilota. Upon the report today, we have Vybz Kartel, legendary dancehall king. Yeah, man. Right now, the people must say the dog on TikTok at the post it. Yo, Jado. Yo, Kartel. But I don't know, brother. Yo, you're the left internet. Yo, what you know straight to the dog. You're the left internet, you know. Yeah, no, yo. Somebody say a comment, man. We have to laugh when we see the thing. People have say, yo, this man is already rich. Why is he running down TikTok money? People say, yo, so wait there, money too much. Yo, so it's a problem for the dog. Always I look money. But I understand what you're trying to say. But see the next one, I say, yo, this man life must be boring. Why is he living on TikTok? Isn't he a superstar? What that supposed to mean? So you tell me say the man not using his phone? Why is he not there for him? Why is he living on TikTok? Doesn't he have a fiance? What? Yo, you know what? Yo, I tell you some people, but just read the report, but I don't. Yeah, I tell you some people made some weird way of telling that. No, yo, John, what that? Yeah, so next on the report, you have GX. GX tell you straight, which girl can't clone me? You mad? We left that wealthy and lonely. yo, I tell you, but I don't want to win that pass a thing there with GX and Rose, you know. I tell you, so we see that. Yo, we see that quote, we have to laugh, dog. I tell you. Nah, man, them man, yo, they tell you, say, yo, John, dog. The boy has something, man. This is a real serious bro. I can continue on and on and on. Yeah, man.
Kartel say no. I when she rich. What was it? What? I was broke. Rich guy can't clone me.
Clone you, yeah.
You mad?
Yeah.
I left that wealthy and lonely.
And lonely, yeah. She's gonna be lonely. But
You
we don't.
mad?
Okay. So okay, let me get it. You're not there no. So where you staying? Where are you now?
As I said earlier on, my people them.
Yeah, man, so that's it for the report, my peeps. This is your Ugly Truth podcast, and I'm your host, Pilota. And this is your rumor report. So we get it, so we tell it.